This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a truly delightful vegan lemon cake. Get ready to discover the joy of baking a dessert that's both zesty and incredibly satisfying, all without any animal products. We'll go over the simple ingredients you'll need and walk through each easy-to-understand step, ensuring you achieve a perfect, moist, and flavorful cake every time. It's a fantastic treat for any occasion, and I'm so excited to guide you through the process. Let's get baking. To begin our vegan lemon cake adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and baking powder for the dry components, which form the cake's structure. For the wet ingredients, prepare your favorite plant-based milk, fresh lemon juice, and plenty of lemon zest to infuse that vibrant citrus flavor. Don't forget a good quality vegetable oil and a touch of vanilla extract to round out the taste. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the exciting part, mixing and baking. First, in a large bowl, thoroughly combine all your dry ingredients, ensuring they are well aerated. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients until they are beautifully blended. The key is to gently fold the wet mixture into the dry, being careful not to overmix, as this keeps your cake wonderfully tender. Pour the batter into your prepared baking pan and bake until it's golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Patience is key for a perfect bake. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches. A simple, zesty lemon glaze truly elevates this cake. Just whisk together powdered sugar with fresh lemon juice until smooth, creating a lovely pourable consistency. Once your cake has completely cooled, generously drizzle this vibrant glaze over the top. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish with some fresh lemon zest or delicate lemon slices. Your homemade vegan lemon cake is now ready to be sliced, served, and savored. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.